make it bounce.
Alrighty. Holy shit. What are these random dots? What are these for? You gotta do wheelies to warm yourself up a little bit, literally.
Top down up in the Chevy, let me teach you.
Rental ground. Joe on the rental Harley. I think we're meeting more riders right here. But today is the main ride, TSR. Oh, 450 over here, huh? Very nice. I think McLovin ran out of gas. Wow, this is awesome. Look at these views. Woo-hoo-hoo! Mexico. Oh, yeah. This is Mexico, people. So sick. Is this the border? Lit.
Pull up.
See. Alright, we're peeling out of the gas station. One of our guys ran out of gas. Oh, that's a cool stunt bike. got the Razor out here. Good shit. Woo! That Ducati though. Jeez. Just mobbing streets, nowhere. Not sure where we're going. It's pretty chill though. Everybody's hype as hell. Damn. 13 down. Anybody need a rental? He brought a second bike. Holy shit. Like a boss. Taping selfies and shit. We're trying to survive. Woo! There you go, Joe, on the rental Harley. I got the screenshot. Oh, there's bikes pouring in from everywhere down there. A million behind us. Oh my God, dune buggies out here. That Can-Am making an appearance. Police colored lights. It's a really crappy pace ride. I know it's like 10,000 bikes, but damn. A little foxtail. Side quarters. Spot to be working on your bike right now. Man, everybody's fixing their shit on the side of the road. There's a whole lot of broken down bikes. Must have hit them. Damn, broken bikes. Oh, don't look too bad. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, ish. Whoa. Wow. Bike straight fire. That was a bike straight on fire. What the hostile life in this SR. Holy ish. So many bikes. Yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna be back.
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and